Hello. If you saw any stuttering in that beginning there, oh no, still losing. What is going on? Oh. My ISP has been fucking up, and it seems like my ISP is still not reliable. Looks like I'm losing a hell of a lot of frames right now. It's going up and down, up and down. I have no idea why. We'll see how it goes. Maybe we can't stream. Shouldn't be an issue usually, but now it seems to be an issue. I'm dropping from green down to yellow, and sometimes, yeah, now we're on orange and red. Well, this is shite. We'll see how it goes. Ooh. I can have a little preview window up and see. I'll look at the stream as it streams. Hopefully it can handle the stress. Alrighty. Are you ready? Because I sure am. I hope I am. There we go, that's me. Wow. So I think we're gonna be working on this right now. I've been sketching up this thing here. I want to sketch a bit more on a few different versions of this one. Maybe add some horns and stuff to it. Yeah. Maybe make a new file that we can work from. Oh god, what? Are they two different layers? Yeah. So just merge that down. I want to copy this and put it into a new file where we have that's not what I wanted. Did I do it wrong? Oh yeah, I sure did. There we go. Now we can remove this while we're at it. Nice. I've been having a look at it, a few different. I want to incorporate some type of helmets. Into the design, some horns into the helmet. So that's what I'll be trying to do right now. And I have some references for space suit helmets. It's just big golden visors. I wanna see if we can just, because I'm not really fond of the current look here, but I want to have horns on the helmet. I feel like this looks like a fat skull, but I want to have it like a bit like outer-worldly. I don't want it to be like too associated with like something human. A bit like disassociating, maybe. Maybe we could I want to get some interesting shapes into this, but I don't know how I would. So when I have this like fishbowl looking thing, also this is way too dark, so we should just lighten that up. Do it like this. Hello there, Benjo. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Hope you're doing great. We're working on a little space boy right now. Oh, notifications, thanks Windows. But at the same time, I feel like narrowing the face work too. Yeah, that could work. Doing okay, just having some lunch before heading back to work. How are you? I'm doing a-okay. Sounds good with the break. I just finished up a bunch of exams, or a bunch of one exam. So I got quite the time off before the next wave of courses starts. We start in on Monday next week. I have a little time to work, which is nice. We're supposed to mix like a bit of demonic horn stuff with machine stuff with like some sort of deformed human. That's what we're trying to do. Oh god. Sprite, yes, that is correct. It's Sprite. That's the software. Always Sprite, always. Nothing else. I don't know. I don't know then. What if we maybe make it like something like this? And make it like more like a bulb. Yeah, I feel like he needs a bit of a forehead before it reaches the globe. My client wants horns, so we need to have horns on it. A bit more ominous if it's like this black thing with some highlights. I feel like the head is way too like thick. Like it's way too big. If we, yeah, our own palette. And I don't use the palette. I just go for it. I just limit the use of colors on each sprite. So yeah, I mean, you could say it's my own palette in a way. That's an even bigger fishbowl. Maybe that's what I need. I just want to make a design and be like, fuck yeah, that's cool. You know? But it was a lot of different thoughts and requests. Let me see, like, I want to see like a like a Russian astronaut. Because they had like these purple ones, right? You know, like little comms thing there. I don't even know what that is, but sure. They have like those things on the side of the helmet sometimes. Let's remove the arms for now. Let's see what. Wait, did I do the wrong one? Yeah. Let's remove the arms on this one. These are Russian astronauts. They have pretty much like a white helmet and an orange bodysuit. My client wanted to have this associated with blue because of back stuff, back lore stuff. So maybe what if we just give it some wider, like a lot wider. So just like make everything blue instead, I guess. It doesn't have the same feeling as like a purple astronaut. Oh, oddly enough, I have never encountered a Russian astronaut. Never have I. Actually, I've never encountered one in real life. We have a Swedish astronaut working at my university. Like former astronauts or whatever. It's not currently working as an astronaut. But he's been to the ISS. Let's see if we can, if we make the entire body blue, then maybe we could somehow make it interesting. Like separate this. somehow. Like that, so it like looks like a helmet. Let's make the number that color so we can preserve it. Like that. Because I think we still want to keep it. No. No? There, can you explain your shading? Well, what I do right now is I just do basic stuff. But just in general, you wanna, whenever you should make something shaded, you tend to have tends to be less saturated, so more to the left. You usually don't have shadows that are super saturated, but you can of course have that as a style choice. I tend to desaturate a little bit, and then I move all my shadows towards blue, and if I like, let's say I want to have a highlight, I move it towards yellow a bit. So I hue shift a bit. And that's how I do my shading. Not too much to go over. We're just trying to get a design down right now. Oh, fuck you. Make this a little bit darker. Yeah, maybe this could work. I wanna get some more creepy shit in. Yeah, maybe like black is better than orange. Maybe. I see like a bunch of wiring and I don't know what any of it is on a spacesuit. I'm not like a trained space person. Absolutely. Yeah, I have no idea what how spacesuits work. I know they should bring oxygen in, but like, what is this thing? They have like things on their tummy, like on their chest region. Did you not outline the right on purpose? I haven't. No, it's just I haven't done it. I just haven't outlined it yet. There's no deeper meaning behind it. It's just I haven't done it. They'll probably get to it eventually. I can do it if you want to. I'm gonna be right back in like 2 minutes. Okay. There we go. And we're back. Yeah. So it's a work in progress, you know. It's not done instantly. So it's not done because I haven't done it. I don't know, I started yawning a lot now just when I started working. Maybe I should get a coffee or something. I'm gonna have a read at the signed document. Here, lapis lazuli. Okay, so lapis lazuli is why I made it blood blue. The bull. He wants it to have like a big life support thing. What if we make it fatter? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it didn't merge. Merge it down. We'll duplicate. Let's just make it like fatter. Is this under NDA? If it was, I wouldn't be allowed to stream it. Alright. I'm not I'm not supposed to talk about what I am working on, more than what I am working on. But it's okay for me to stream it. No, I like the slimmer look. I think what we just need to do is just to maybe add that live support back thing. She's going for a walk. My girlfriend. She peeked in her head and whispered that she's going for a walk. So here's a huge ass back thing. I don't know about that one. Just make a new layer and put it below that one. So it should be like that, and then like big. That would be like the footprint, and then like this. Side, then upper bit. That's 3 sides. You know what? I think purple. I'll vibe with purple more because I feel like a cosmonaut. Change it to that cosmonaut orange instead. Oh no. Yeah, I like the orange. Hey, I'm Lassie. Hi Lassie, I'm Fred. How you doing? I see you don't have your Lassie name on YouTube. Here your name is Oliver Lozonk. Pretty epic. I'm thinking I'm gonna stream on Twitch later today too. I'm thinking of adjusting how I do stuff, because right now I just moved over from Twitch to YouTube, but I think I might like do gaming, just my recreational having fun gaming on Twitch, and then here I'll be doing on YouTube, I'll be doing my pixel art work related game stuff or whatever, more creative stuff. And Twitch is gonna be like hang out, having fun with friends and playing video games and stuff. I've been playing a lot of Dishonored 2. I'm doing like a blind playthrough, and I'm having a lot of fun with that. So I think I'm gonna go over there when this is done, and I'm gonna be playing some of that Dishonored, and you can come and join me and hang out if you're into video games and stuff like that. You like YouTube better than Twitch? For streaming or in general? Twitch is so tedious. Would you prefer me to play Dishonored on YouTube? Or do you think it should I keep that to Twitch? I'm just thinking that people wouldn't want like to get clogged up like their feed. Oh, I'm following Fred because I want to see like game dev related or like introspective stuff into gaming or whatever, and then I start playing video games. I'm just thinking maybe that wouldn't be appreciated, or maybe I'm just overthinking things, who knows. That depends on your audience. Yeah, I mean, I think you're kind of my audience, maybe because you're watching this, right? But it's also like it depends on if you're following the channel because of the content or like the personality. Because someone like PewDiePie, he can do whatever he wants and people will still watch this shit and stuff, you know. But who's to say that I'm such an amazing personality that people follow me because of that? Maybe it's just because I make pixels, you know, then they'll probably not want me to be playing video games. Yeah, you're watching art stuff. You're not here for the epic gameplay, are you? You'd be like, fuck, why is he clogging up my subscription feed with all these notifications about him playing video games? Hello there, Franciscoria. I don't have glasses on, so that's my excuse for not pronouncing it right the first time. How are you doing? You don't watch FPS? I get dizzy? Oh. Ouch. I mostly play first-person games. Good to hear. Franciscoria. I'm shit tired right now. I don't know what happened. I just got hit with a wall of tiredness. Okay, so that's the thing. That's the demon. I don't know about the backpack. Heyo, hello there, honey. How are you doing? From the title, art is from the title, this art is for a work in progress game. It's for a game, yes. And I cannot talk about what game it is or anything about that, but I am allowed by the by my contractor to. From my client to stream it, but I can't tell you anything about it. But this is a space guy. I can tell you that. It's demons from Stranger Things, but from space. Yes, kind of. Kind of what I'm going for. Yeah, it's like space but demon but also human. Let's see if we can fluff it up a bit again. No, I just tried it, but I want to try it again. Like make it, thicken it up a bit. I don't know. I no. I like the thin aspect of it. I think if we could, I think these things could be cool. Like those wires. Like the oxygen wiring. I'm talking with the client right now. Okay, so I wanna see if I can like add. I think we're gonna make the stomach orange. Let's see if we can incorporate some more space suit stuff. Hello, Julian, this is me. Hello. Yes, I'm giving you stuff to work with. I did send you some stuff, images in different colors, different enemies, like different. This is just like what I started working with and where I'm at right now. Took you long enough. Yeah, thinking the fuck is redacted. Yeah, redacted is I'm not allowed to tell you anything about it, but I'm allowed to stream it. That's redacted. Among Us guy. but then buff. There you go. Are you happy now? Candlelight is going. I haven't worked much on Candlelight. I've been spending a lot of the time that I have had to work on stuff on this. Which hasn't been much, really. But it's not a. I'm working on Candlelight whenever I have the time and energy to do it. The advisor could maybe look a little fancier, maybe some similar. Maybe more similar to an Oni mask. I gotta go now anyway, but no. Okay, buy like an Oni mask. Oni masks don't have visors. Is he talking about the teeth? Does he want like Oni teeth? Is that what he wants? I don't know. Maybe we could make it look a bit like a mouth, but still make it look a little bit industrial-ish, like it's a part of the suit. So it's a bit like a mouth, but also a bit like. The big thing here, where I can have one of those coming out. Because I see spacesuits having these like connecting things. Something inside the visor. Oop. Like that. Yeah, that's probably what you meant. Hat, it may be best to add movement in. Hat is the best way to. I don't know if that's a question with a question mark or if it's a statement. Hat is the best way. Some alien It's supposed to be a humanoid. I guess I can't say more, but it's supposed to be like a malformed human. Something that once was a human, maybe. I hope I can say that. Oh my god, what happened? Augustia, thank you so much for that subscribe. Maybe it was just some random who watched the video. I don't know how this stream alert thing works on YouTube, but thank you. Not hat, what? What's the best way to add movement? Well, we can go and say, let me just send this over. And is this horrible? And ask if it's horrible. Hey, how about this? I'm gonna ask if for thoughts on this. For now, let's go back to this one, and we want to reduce the thighs here. Now we know everything. The mountain human that once was a human in space, yes. You know everything about the game now. Fuck, I ruined it. Is the game Deltarune? I have no comment. Is it a sequel? I don't know. Y'all just trying to milk information out of me. No comment. I'm back for like 5 minutes. Okay, Julian, that's epic. Welcome back. I have no idea what you meant with this Oh my god. He said he didn't like the orange. I'm so sad. You can expect some blog posts or similar things soonish, maybe January. Oh. Hey Frederick, can I ask you some questions about Candlelight? Yeah, sure. You can send me whatever you want. Ask away. Ask away. If you're gonna ask me if you can I don't know, write an article and make me famous, sure. You want to do that? How many do you need to make? I need to make a lot of stuff. Particle parallax. Ah, I see. Someone is interested in the programming. Yeah. So how I did it is I have a huge ass array with arrays in it, and each array is like a light object. It just stores all the stuff. Like each index stores an array with which would be like a particle, and all the data for that particle. It's like the x and y position, and the speed, and the life, and all that. Whatever, yeah, I need. I don't work in Unity. I work in Game Maker, but you could do it in Unity too. You just, I don't know how. I wouldn't use the built-in particle system for it. I made my own, and then you have a depth value for it, which you can set between whatever. I have it, I think, so I have stuff at 0 is at the same depth as the player, which means it doesn't parallax. And then I have a value for things that are further away, which I think is minus something. And then anything that is in front of the camera is higher than 0, and that depending on the camera position and the particles depth, I offset the particles different amounts, and then I also scale them differently. Do you no, he is a gamer, the better one. Check your Discord. DS list. I don't use DS list. I just use an array because I think DS list is slower. I don't know. Change the open area for advisor. No, Julian. No. He explicitly wanted the fishbowl. So that's a no. But maybe we could incorporate. I don't know what we can do here. Yeah. Hollow Knight does the same thing. Hi Alex, I'm not streaming on Twitch because I prefer streaming here. It's a lot more engaging. I have a bigger following here. I think I might stream some gaming on Twitch later today. So I think I'm gonna make Twitch my dedicated gaming platform, where I do my little known fact. I'm a hardcore super epic gamer who's highest skill in everything. So I'll be playing some Dishonored 2 later today probably, and then YouTube will be my like creative side. The default GameMaker part only supports depth for whole particle systems. I haven't even bothered with it because it's so whack. And I also wanted it to scale with my delta time scaling, which I don't know how to do. With the GameMaker one, so I just made it adapt to the delta time thing. So and the game timer. So if I want to have slow-mo, all my particles start moving in slow-mo too. And if I pause the time, the particles stop moving, which I don't know how to do with GameMaker either. So yeah, that's the thing. What did you beat? Wait, did you beat Sekiro with no level up to strength vitality? Yeah, I did. No, I didn't. But I've beaten it 7 times or so. I could. It was a long time ago since I played it, but I could try. we can try and do no strength or vitality upgrade. Run if you really want it. If you get me 10k subscribers on YouTube before the next year, I'll try and do it. I'll try and do that for you. Does anyone know how to do class simulation in 2D? I mean, I would use like some sort of node system with like springs, or like they have like some sort of magnetism to each other or something, like strain. Bunch of floating points, and then they are like interconnected to each other, and they pull and drag on each other, and then between them you could draw like between like every 4 like vertices you'd draw like a texture, and then it would stretch and pull and whatever. And if like it's something that is supposed to be on the right side gets on the left, you just have another texture that is a little bit darker to indicate that it's flipped, and it would look epic. I'ma go bye. Goodbye. You're leaving me because I'm not a pro gamer. I see how it is. Okay. Thank you. You can't game maker trash. I wrote a dedicated render pipeline for our project because game is why. Bye. What do you... Yes, the algorithm is called Erland integration. Okay, cool. Or it's called Fred Epic programming. The bottom tube is his schlong. No, his schlong is inside here. This is his umbilical cord. This is where the astronauts gets the feeding from. And this is where he gets the oxygen just straight up pumped into his heart for optimal effect. Maximum lethality or whatever, I don't know. Why game maker? Why not? I like the challenge. You're 130 behind. Yeah, that's your problem, not mine. Maybe he has schlongs. Yeah, maybe he has 2. I can't comment on that. It's I'm not allowed to speak about the project other than what I'm working on, so I can't tell you the back lore of this character. Maybe he has 2 schlongs, who knows? I don't know. You have to ask the creator. I bring that up in the concept docs for him to have a schlong that is. Okay. Cool, bro. Yeah, so Julian here is the lead programmer. So if you wanna talk about programming, you can talk with him. He's also an epic meme lord, so you can ask him about dank memes or something, I don't know. One of his superpowers is that he has 2 schlongs. Now that would be an epic superpower. What does a spacesuit backpack look like? Spacesuit. Pack. It's just a big fucking square. It's just like I drew it. It's just a big square. That's so boring. Why would they just make a square when they can make it look sci-fi? It looks like a fucking refrigerator with the American flag on it. Okay, sure thing. Let's make it a refrigerator. Oxygen straight into the heart. Yes. Nanites, so he doesn't need to use his lungs. See you around, gotta go. Bye, Julian. Thanks for hanging out. Hope you survive. Bye. Does it wield weapons? No comment. Not right now. Yeah, no, I don't remember. I don't think it. It didn't say anything about that in the docs. I'm not going for it. My memory isn't what it used to be. Maybe you could refresh it a little bit. It's pretty interesting shape. I think it turned the helmet into like more of a sci-fi helmet. I'm happy with that. I did like that, made the visor go down all that way. Bottom. No comment. No comment on anything. No, I forgot to read the chat. Unknown. Next devlog is coming in maybe 2 years. Who knows? I'll be studying a lot in the coming months. I'm studying at 150% right now, or like I'm gonna start. So, which would equate to 60 hours per week. So, because they want to get like a specific master's program that requires me to do a bunch of courses I haven't done. So, yeah, don't know about that. We'll see. Hopefully, in the near future. It really depends. I have a few projects in the pipeline. Something Counter-Strike related will be coming up soon on the main channel. If you probably, I don't know. So yeah, I'm studying like computer science, kinda would be a good thing. Equivalent to, it's kind of its own Swedish thing. There's a bunch of maths and stuff with it. But yeah, it'll be a lot to handle, probably. So we'll see how it goes. I don't think I'll have the time I would like to have available to me. But it's kind of like computer science. Computer engineering, yeah, kinda. Computer science, kinda. I don't know if computer engineering is a thing. I know computer science is a thing. I think it's computer science in English. The closest thing to it, at least, would be computer science. What program is this? This program is called Sprites. It's available on a lot of different web stores for I think about $20. It's absolutely worth it. If you're thinking about starting, you want to delve into pixel art, I'd highly recommend you pick this up. It's worth every dollar and more. I believe it's Sprite too. That is correct. It's spelled like this. Oh wait, he just wrote it in chat. That's so stupid. Wow. Can we get a 30 in here? A nice looking thick 30. But it needs to be. No. No, no, no. It's a number. It's supposed to have that. It's supposed to be like associated with the number 30. You can ask my client why. She wants some answers. I want answers. Why is it supposed to say 30 on the character that Fred is working on? I need to know. But I can't really talk about it. Yes, it has to be 30. It has something to do with something. I just want to see if I can get like a good looking 30. Like a small scale. I can always do like a 30 like this, but it would be cool if it was a little bit bigger. No comments, we know the deal, yes. I mean, if B wants to know, like real bad, she can ask me in person, and she would get an answer. But I'm not gonna answer it on stream. That's a 30. See, let's have a look at the spacesuit a bit more. Adding some bracelets or something. I wanted to break up the shape a little bit. I'm having some spacesuits as references. Usually like a name tag. There. Maybe 30 is the name tag in this case. We're gonna have to rework the handset at a later stage. Okay, so we want to have some of those. Could be cool. That's probably what a spacesuit looks like. Adding some like lines to it. Can we just to make it's like where like stitching has been, like stitching lines. I think I'm making it like thinner here because I want it to like look like it's going away a bit, like back into like the image, like a little bit of like depth, a little bit of that. Let's add some outlines to the hand here. Did you learn pixel art all by yourself? Yeah, that's how you learn stuff. Can't have anyone else teach you. It's not like let's say history, where if you just know, you know. With any arts and crafts, you actually learn it by doing it. You're not gonna become the best artist in the world by just reading about people, how they work. You gotta get out there and do it yourself if you want to improve. So I've been working on my own in my room for a lot of years. And I eventually got confident enough to share my work on the internet. And I still think I should improve a lot more. Oh god. I'm nowhere near where I want to be, which I think is a good motivator. Pretty good right now, thank you. To be honest, I don't think I'll ever be content with my skill level in anything. Oh my god, what just happened? We just got a subscriber. Thank you so much for that. I have not finished it. I'm planning on maybe streaming some of that at a later time, where we maybe have a little, when we have a little feeling for it. Right now I need to crank out some work, some freelance work. Need to crank out that work. I haven't worked on the Among Us piece since we last streamed, so no progress on that one, and you haven't missed anything. So if you're interested in that, then I guess you can be happy that I haven't worked without you. See it from the bright side. Or would you say view it from the bright side in English? I don't know. Maybe that's how you say it. I use Sprite right now. That's what it's called. I can write it in chat. Sprite, like that. That's what I use. Oh, you're watching, I see. Mr. Contractor is in the chat. Just silently lurking in the shadows. I see. The black line on the helmet. You're talking about this? Or this is just reflections, really. Just that's usually how it is on very cool. We're getting some bounce light from the bottom, and then we get some stuff on the top, some lights on the top. And if you're asking about this one, like what this is, then we can do like this. So the visor kind of looks like this from the side. Has kind of this shape. So this is like the in bit where it goes in. Like that. And then you have the horns here. Like that. This would be the space bar from the side. Like that. Hello, cool Sprites. I like the proportions. Thank you. We'll be animating the characters too. Yeah, I'll be animating them. Not now. Maybe not on stream. Who knows? I was thinking maybe working around 2 hours today, and since I'm streaming, I'll add a little some time on top of that because I'm talking with the chat and stuff. Because it's not hyper focused when I stream, so you know we don't bill for 2 hours if I've been streaming for 2 hours. So I'm gonna check how long I've been working for. Because usually after 2 hours of work I dip out a bit, and it's like super hyper folk, like good stuff. And I prefer to keep my work hyper focused. So we'll be on hitting 2 hours on a quarter past kinda. So we'll be going for another 45 maybe. Yeah. Or so. When I hit 15. I mean 30. In 30 minutes we'll go for 30 minutes more, and then we can count that as 2 hours. Then it'll be more than 2 hours. I want to keep the clients happy, you know? So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add some shading here on this wire to give it some depth. Just gonna rough it out. I prefer to paint in the highlights actually, so we're gonna do that. See, now we got some depth into that wire. Awesome. Oh, my neck. Did you hear that crack? Damn, that was a loud one. Yikes. That hurt. Well, at least I'm still alive, which is good. Adding a little bit of a line here makes the toes stand out a bit. I think the backpack's a bit under detailed. I know American like Space Boys, they don't really have anything on their backpacks, but I really think we could use a little bit here. A little bit more stuff. No. There's also this issue of we don't want to overcomplicate things, because then it gets a bit noisy. Get some highlights here on this side, or light coming from like this way. Yeah. You know what? I think we're gonna. I think it's better to let this rest a bit, and we're gonna say that I did 1.5 hours instead, because it's better to let it rest for a bit, and then me to regain some creative flow, some juices. So I think we're gonna end it on this. We started out with like this doodle here, and we ended on this. A little bit more refined. Maybe we can add some more highlights. I think a really cool underglow, like a highlight from the bottom. Just gonna do it real quick. Could look really cool on this guy, like this. Like this. Like really make this character pop. I think this could be really cool. Let's see if I can. Well, something like that could look really cool. I don't know how the effects work in Sprite, but something with some under high glow highlight thing. Yeah, we'll figure that out. It looks pretty spacey. I see a lot of astronauts with like lights from under them. I think it looks kind of ominous, a little bit threatening too. So we'll add that later on. But for now, that has been the stream for the day. Thank you everyone who tuned in. It was good fun. I'll be heading probably over to Twitch, where I'll be maybe playing some games later. Or I'll be playing games here. Who knows? We'll see how it goes, but it's been the creative bit for today. I hope to see you again. Bye bye.